printers can be annoying enough as is, so here are some ways to fix this error on your Windows computer. Now, before we get into the system-specific troubleshooting methods, we suggest you restart your system. This will refresh the system and clear any temporary conflicts or issues that might be resulting in the error. If that method did not work, run the relevant troubleshooters by opening Settings, go to Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, then run the printer troubleshooter. Now, another possible thing is to clear print spooler files. To do that, go to Services, look for Print Spooler, double-click on it, click Stop, then click Apply and select OK to save the changes. Then, leave the Services window, open and head over to the File Explorer, navigate to this location, then remove all the files. Now, after doing that, go back to the Services window and start the Print Spooler again. Lastly, try disabling your antivirus temporarily. Do it by going to your system tray, right-click on your antivirus software, and temporarily disable it. So that's how you can fix this printer error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.